Welcome to the SourceGeek Onboarding tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect your SourceGeek account with LinkedIn. To get started, you'll need to install our Chrome extension from the official Chrome web store. Inside the SourceGeek platform, click on Settings, then select LinkedIn. There, you'll see the status of your current connection. If you're a new user, your session status will appear as unset. To connect, simply click the Chrome button at the bottom of the page. This will take you directly to the Chrome web store where you can download and install the extension. Once installed, you'll find the extension in the top right corner of your browser, inside the puzzle icon menu. Next, open LinkedIn in a browser tab. If you're a premium user, also open LinkedIn Recruiter or Sales Navigator. With those tabs open, click the SourceGeek extension and then select Refresh Session. The platform will now establish a secure connection with your LinkedIn profile. This process usually takes about a minute, and once it's active, you'll see the updated session status in your SourceGeek account overview.